Welcome to a journey through wisdom, love, family, and life. These powerful quotes have stood the test of time. Listen closely. You might just find the one that changes your day or your life. Focus on the message, not the messenger. The one who cuts forgets, but the one who bleeds remembers. Don't chase your dreams using someone else's path. Never approach with kindness while holding harm. When you draw water yourself, every drop has meaning. Knowledge is like a garden. Tend it or lose its fruits. Loud boasts don't bring results. Wandering aimlessly may lead to danger. There are no easy routes to success. Wisdom shines brightest when the night is darkest. A wise person prepares today for tomorrow's challenges. Hate is a wound no medicine can heal. Pride leaves no space for wisdom. Problems teach what comfort never can. Better to try and fail than never try at all. Real wisdom listens more than it speaks. Learning from pain is still learning. You can't hide truth with loud lies. The wise man walks at his pace, not in haste. When actions speak, words become unnecessary. Don't trip twice on the same stone. Only a wise person can solve a difficult problem. A wise man fills his head before emptying his mouth. A fool has to say something. A wise person has something to say. The wise man never takes a step too long for his leg. A wise person doesn't fall down the same hill twice. A man who uses force is afraid of reasoning. If you are filled with pride, then you will have no room for wisdom. In the moment of crisis, the wise build bridges and the foolish build dams. Wisdom is not like money to be tied up and hidden. If you think education is expensive, try ignorance. A fool cannot untie the knot tied by a wise man. One who causes others misfortune also teaches them wisdom. If you close your eyes to facts, you will learn through accidents. Just because the lizard nods his head doesn't mean he's in agreement. When deed speaks, words are nothing. To get lost is to learn the way. The axe forgets. The tree holds the memory. When giants clash, it's the earth that suffers. Don't be fooled by calm waters. Danger may still lurk. Once you carry your own water, you'll remember every drop. Knowledge is a garden. If it isn't cultivated, you can't harvest it. A roaring lion kills no game. Restless feet might walk you into a snake pit. No shortcuts exist to the top of a palm tree. Tomorrow belongs to people who prepare for it today. No medicine exists that can cure hatred. Rain does not fall on one roof alone. Seeing is different than being told. However long the night, the dawn will break. If you think you're too small to make a difference, try spending the night with a mosquito. If there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do no harm. Even the lion protects himself against flies. The earth is a beehive. We all enter by the same door. Wood already touched by fire is not hard to set alight. One falsehood spoils 1,000 truths. Confiding a secret to an unworthy person is like carrying grain in a bag with a hole. No matter how beautiful and well-crafted a coffin might look, it will not make anyone wish for death. A feeble effort will not fulfill the self. When two elephants fight, it is the grass that gets hurt. To try and to fail is not laziness. The earth welcomes us all equally. Rain doesn't choose a single roof. Rivers may run far, but they never forget their source. Never underestimate the small. They can still keep you awake all night. If your inner world is at peace, no outer enemy can shake you. Our hearts remember what our eyes have seen. Greatness isn't born, it's built while others sleep. When an elder passes, a lifetime of wisdom is lost. A bag with holes can't keep secrets. Weak effort won't satisfy strong purpose. Arguments don't build bridges, wisdom does. Fire touched wood lights quickly. Past pain ignites fast. Education is costly. Ignorance is worse. A fool speaks to be heard. The wise speak with purpose. Thanks for joining us on this journey of timeless wisdom and heartfelt truths. If a quote touched your soul today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep living